In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom tags in Monarch Money on your PC. Let's get started. Custom tags help you organize your transactions beyond the default categories like subscriptions or taxes, so you can track your spending in a more detailed and personalized way. To begin, go to Settings, then click on Tags. Once you're in the Tag section, click on New Tag. Choose a color so it's easy to identify. Enter your tag name and click Save. After that, your new tag will be available and you can start using it on your transactions. You can also create tags directly from transaction. Just click on the tag drop-down, add a new tag, and it will automatically be saved to your list. If you ever need to make changes, just go back to the tags section in settings where you can edit or delete your tags anytime. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.